Okay, welcome back. Let's continue with the print command. Now, we can also use the print command to print numbers and calculations. So for example, if we type print 10 and then print 10 plus 5, it will print 10 here and 15. Of course, you can change this to anything else. 17, and you can change this to 910 divide by 5 instead. I'm using Jupyter Notebook. Again, there's a video about setting it up if you want to follow what I'm doing exactly, but you can type these same commands in your idle window like this one, and then you go to run module or press F5 and you'll achieve the same result or a similar result. So if I change these numbers here and I press run here, then it shows me, it prints 17 and it prints the result of 910 divided by 5, which is 182. Okay. Notice that when we print numbers or calculations, we do not include them in quote marks the way we did for hello world. This is because Python knows what numbers are and what these mathematical symbols are. So we don't need to put them in quote marks. It understands them as they are. And notice also that Python does not display the actual numbers we typed, but instead it does a calculation and shows the result. So again, if we have here 24 times 24, it shows us the result as 576. It does not show us 24 times 24. It does the calculation and then prints the result of that calculation. Okay. We can also print more than one item in one print statement by separating the items using commas. So for example, I can say the total of 234 times 876 is, and then here I put the numbers that I want multiplied, and Python will show me the result here. Let me simplify that and demonstrate. If I change that to 10 and I run, it tells me, oh, of course this should be changed as well, or it will mislead the user. So the result of 234 times 10 is 2340. So this comma also adds a space between the word is and the output itself. Okay. So that's a bit more about the print command. Please try this on your computer and experiment with it and see what happens. Alright, thank you. See you in the next lesson.